Welcome to this morning meditation that you can use to set the tone for a successful day. Start by finding a comfortable and quiet place. Sit down comfortably with your back straight and take a few deep breaths. Feel the tension leaving your body with every exhale and let yourself sink deeper into relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to your intentions for the day. Take a moment to reflect on what you want to accomplish, what you want to feel, and who you want to be. Visualize your day unfolding smoothly with grace and ease. Next, set your intention for the day. This is a simple statement that encapsulates what you want to achieve or experience today. For example, you might say, I intend to approach my work with focus and enthusiasm. Or, I intend to feel peaceful and centered throughout the day. Now, take a few moments to focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension, stress, or negativity that you might be carrying. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, letting go of any worries about the past or future. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine a golden light surrounding you, filling you with warmth, positivity, and energy. This light represents the universe's support for you and its willingness to guide you towards success and happiness. Visualize this light expanding to fill the entire room. And then extending beyond it to encompass your entire day. See yourself moving through the day with ease, grace, and confidence, radiating positive energy and attracting success and abundance. Take a moment to express gratitude for this new day, for the opportunities and challenges it presents, and for the strengths and guidance you have within you to navigate it successfully. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, stretch your body, and go about your day with confidence and purpose. Namaste.